We're building a lightweight cron scheduler from scratch. It parses cron expressions, stores tasks, and runs them exactly when they should fire, using a thread pool. You'll see field parsing, wildcards, step values, and a simple scheduling loop. This is the engine that powers every Unix job scheduler, written in pure Java. A cron task holds a name, the action to run, and a parsed cron expression. The constructor stores the name and action, and immediately parses the cron string into an internal object. Should run checks whether the task should fire at a given time. The cron expression splits the string into 5 space-separated fields. Each field is parsed into a list of allowed integer values using parse field. The ranges are minutes 059, hours 023, days 131, months 112, and days of week 06, Sunday equals 0. This parser handles wildcards, lists, 1, 3, 5, ranges, 1, 5, and steps, /5. It first expands wildcards, then processes each comma-separated part. For ranges, it adds every integer from start to end. Finally, if a step is provided, it filters the values accordingly. Matches simply checks whether the given time's components are all in the allowed lists. Day of week is adjusted, Java's dayofweek.getValue, returns Monday equals 1. Sunday equals 7, so modulo 7 maps Sunday to 0. This makes the check consistent with standard cron fields. The scheduler uses a scheduled executor service to drive the polling loop. Tasks is a thread-safe list. Granularity seconds defines how often the scheduler checks for due tasks. The constructor initializes the thread pool and the empty task list. Adds a task to the list. Start sets the running flag and schedules a periodic check at a fixed rate. Stop cancels the future, shuts down the executor, and waits for termination. These 3 methods control the scheduler's lifecycle. Every check cycle, the current time is obtained. We iterate over all tasks and call should run. If it matches, the task's action is submitted to the thread pool for execution. This separates the scheduling loop from actual task execution, keeping the check fast. We create a scheduler with a 1-second check interval, add 4 different cron tasks, every minute, every 5 minutes, weekday at 10:30, and midnight on the 15th, start it, let it run for 30 seconds, then stop. The demo illustrates various cron expressions and the scheduler's behavior.